Hey friends, I am Irmila, and I would want to wish all my friends who have their birthdays on the 22nd of November 2020 today a very happy birthday to you all. May God bless you. Today's date is 22nd November. If you calculate the date today, 2 plus 2, which equals to a number 4. Now, number 4 people are rebellious, very secretive, very trustworthy, very disciplined in nature. Friends, number 4, the lucky colors for number 4 are blue, grey, a khaki, shades of khaki. So you can use these colors to enhance your life, enhance your personality. It will give you luck. Number 4 should do not trust anyone blindly. Be a little flexible in your ways because you are very rigid at times, and because of this nature, you may not be very popular with people. So, have a lovely birthday, friends. Happy birthday to all my friends whose birthday is on 22nd of November. And friends, I have also removed tarot cards for today. I have removed 4 cards, friends. The first card that I have removed from the Rider-Waite tarot deck is the Hermit. Now, the Hermit says that we need to be in solitude with ourselves, we need to meditate, and we need to take a reflection of what our inner self is today. So, reflection is very important today. Think about what decisions you are making, think about what you want in life, be in silence and understand what exactly is your soul searching for, or is your soul wanting. You can see the Hermit. This is a card which says soul searching. This is the card for the day. I have also removed another card for the relationship. How is our relationship going to be today? So, what does our relationship card say? It says the Hanged Man. Now, friends, the Hanged Man says suspension, release, means you need to release all the toxic energies that you have in your relationship. If you are thinking about a relationship and you are confused, you need to stop, watch, and self-search. So beautifully this entire thing is linked. You need to do soul searching, and you need to understand your relationship. Whatever relationship you are in, you are wanting an answer for, you will have an answer by soul searching itself. So your relationships you may be confused in your relationships that you have, or a relationship that you are thinking of. Confusion is there, but you need to take a decision by soul searching, and you will get a proper decision. You will be able to focus properly on the situation that you are in. The other card that I have pulled out is for finance, friends, and it is so apt. It comes Ace of Pentacles. As always, new beginnings, very, very, very abundant card. Pentacles itself, if people know tarot here, Pentacles itself speaks about money. So there are going to be a lot of opportunities today, a lot of new beginnings, new ideas will crop up. In case you're looking for a new job, you may get a good answer from the person you, or the company that you have applied in. And business wise also, it's a very good day today. So friends, abundance is in your way. Ace of Pentacles is our finance card. Go for it and do not get worried about your finances. I have also removed another card which says, this is for health, friends, and it says 5 of Wands. Now, Five of Wands itself says a lot of conflicts, lot of challenges, lot of tension. So there is a lot of tension, lot of challenges may be happening in yourself, within you. You need to follow the Hermit. You need to follow the Hermit to understand that these challenges, these tensions, these worries need to stop if you need your health to be, at a peak. If you need your health to be good, if there is any disease in the body, it is only because of all these tensions, all these conflicts that are happening in your mind. Friends, it is very important to do soul searching. So the universe tells us today, the tarot tells us today, the Hermit, you need to soul search, you need to understand, you need to reflect on what has happened exactly in your, past or in your life or in your these days, that your relationships are all confused or you are confused about one relationship. You need to know that what is it that is getting dis-ease in my body, which your body is not at ease. So you need to understand these things. It is all in your mind, all your soul search. Go ahead with Abundance card. Abundance is for money, is for your good business, good job. You are at your peak now. See the blessings, new beginnings, new ideas are coming your way. Go for it, take it. But after doing a soul search. So friends, these are our 4 cards for today. The Hermit, the Hanged Man, Ace of Pentacles for finance and abundance, and 5 of Wands for your body, for your energy levels, for your physical health. So you need to maybe exercise, you need to take a proper diet, you need to do soul searching, you need to meditate. All these factors have to be considered before you take a plunge into in deciding anything about your relationship, about your finances, about your health. Please search yourself. Sit in peace. Sit in silence and you will get the answers. Happy birthday once again to all my friends whose birthday is on 22nd of November 2020. Love you all. Have a great day today.